So, Jimmy, how's the invention going? Who got it? What's that? Don't touch that. It's a ice cream maker. You got it. You stop the ice cream about the ice cream. Have your attention. Meeting time. No, wait. Today we're gonna find a berry. Ooh, we'll find the berry. Gives me as much. No berry. Looking everywhere. Berry! I found one! No. No. Danny? Did you just you the doctor popping up, boy? Just shoot them up with the seed, but turning into a hammer monster. SpongeBob and Flavor, I'm turning into a... Whoa, a hammer! Woo! Wait. No, a hammer! Danny, watch out! What do you say, SpongeBob? My lair! Sorry, DB. I know you're here. Well. Ghost boy. Stop calling me ghost boy. You wet my lair now. Fix it. Oh well. Time to fix it. I'll be like Danny's a monster. We can get a field trip to Volcano Island for a little while. I like Volcano Island. Me too. Me 3. Me 4. Volcano Island rocks! Chum, what is this place? Whoa, that's some big painting. Oh no, I'm sure. Green paint? Who put green paints in houses? Oh well. Hey, Crab, what's up? Oh, hi, Annie. What are you doing? Do you have a job? Just wrecked DB's blowhole layer. But don't worry, I'll fix it. I missed the spot. Danny Venom, you just wrecked the house. All the minutes I wrecked it! My layer! Not bad. Sounds like green paint. Danny, you're building a house? I like house building. Yay! This keeps getting weirder and weirder. Can't stop. Sir. Hey, I'm back to normal. Yay! I can fix Bowl's lair. Nah. Oh, great. I still have my hammer in my butt. Yeah.